So how do you find dental insurance and good dental insurance once you're on Medicare? That's what a lot of people ask me in my conversations with them about Medicare, because they're surprised to find out that original Medicare doesn't really have any dental coverage. And yet they see this advertising all the time around these Medicare plans that have dental coverage. So it's very confusing, and I hope to clear that up in today's video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jamie from meetjamie.com. I'm a licensed insurance agent. I've created this YouTube channel to help people understand how the Medicare program works. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel. So what's the deal? You come into Medicare, you talk to someone, and you find out that really there's no dental coverage with Medicare. And yet at the same time, you're seeing all of this advertising that's offering you Medicare plans with dental coverage. Well, let's clear up some of that confusion today. So original or traditional Medicare really doesn't have any dental coverage. So if you're on Medicare and you need dental coverage, how can you get it? Well, there's two primary ways. The most common way is you choose a Medicare Advantage plan. Many Medicare Advantage plans offer some sort of dental, vision, and even hearing benefits. And so if you see an advertisement, if you get some mail, or you're watching TV and you see a commercial and you see extra benefits beyond Medicare, that's almost a guarantee that they're talking about Medicare Advantage. So if you're thinking, well, I don't really want a Medicare Advantage, I want to use traditional Medicare and a supplement. Well, you can actually get standalone dental coverage that way too. So here's the way it works. So if you have traditional Medicare, think of it as kind of your primary, and then your supplement is like secondary. It covers the secondary coverage. You usually have a standalone Part D prescription drug plan. Well, it's the same with dental. You can also purchase additional coverage for dental if you just have traditional or original Medicare and a Medicare supplement. In other words, if you don't have a Medicare Advantage plan, there are options for you. And so I'm going to show you today, share my screen with you, just show you one company here. This is Emeritus, and just show you how this works if you're looking for the best dental coverage for you once you're on Medicare. So we just have these tools that we can use. I'm going to just put in a Texas zip code, and you can see we'll get started here. It says, do you need dental coverage? We click yes. Do you need vision coverage? Let's just say not now, and then let's say that there's two people, so you and your spouse maybe. So then we'll click next. What that's going to do is that's going to give you the plan options in your area. And I want to highlight a couple things to you, so I'm going to make this screen a little bit bigger so it's hopefully easier to see on your end. So let's just look at this first plan here. So this first plan is $52.20 a month, and then you're going to look at the plan details. So before we do that, let me just say something that I tell almost every single person that I talk to about dental coverage once you're on Medicare, and that is it's limited. And I'm going to show you why it's limited by giving you a peek at these plan details. So as you can see here, there's a $50 deductible per benefit year. The maximum benefit, in other words, what this plan is going to pay out, is $1,500. So as you can imagine, we get lots of calls from people needing major dental work. Once you're on Medicare and you're looking at this type of coverage, you have to remember it's limited, even on a Medicare Advantage plan. So this is going to break down for you then in the plan details how the plan works and what it covers. So then you could go up a little bit higher, and let's say you wanted to pay $98.82 a month. Well, you're going to have a $50 deductible, and then also again up to $2,000 per benefit year. And then you can go even higher and bump it up to $3,000. So basically, the higher your monthly premium, the more benefit you're going to receive. The other thing I'll draw your attention to here is it tells you right away that preventative type 1 is covered at 100%, basic type 2 is up to 80%, major up to 20%. You say, well, what does that mean? So let's look at it. So then it breaks it down for you, and it shows you this is type 1, this is type 2. So type 1 is exams, cleanings. Type 2 is fillings, fluoride sealants, space maintainers, bite wing x-rays. Major, which is type 3, is crowns, root canals, simple extractions, oral surgery. So again, as you can imagine, a lot of the questions that we get are from people who have something major coming up, but you're going to want to remember that the plan is going to cover it up to 20%, and then the max is going to be this amount. So again, there are options if you're on Medicare and you're used to having some sort of dental coverage, maybe under your employer plan. Just remember that it's limited. The plan I showed you today is for a standalone plan. The rates vary by where you live, and so if you want a custom quote, you can reach out to me via my website. Again, it's just meetjamie.com, and you can call my office. I'd be happy to give you a quote. So hope that, again, you found this helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and if you have questions about Medicare, feel free to leave me a comment below. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.